Like, what is leadership for you?
It's also about helping the team within the people that you work with, aspire to greater potential. Because the more they are building their competencies to reach a greater height, the better you are overall as a team, and also shows your level of leadership or competencies within the leadership. So I think it's important. Without the people, generally, there is not much of a leader in place.
True. How can you be called a leader when nobody's following you, right?
Yeah,
But again,
absolutely.
I still believe though as well that there's always self leadership because everyone is a leader. It's all about helping others or your team members, for example, like what you've said, to bring them to greater heights, right? And it's always translating this vision that you have, and it's important. The important thing that I got from how you define leadership is the action part, right? Because nothing happens without action, obviously.